So hey you guys, this is Blvd. I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be something a little bit more different. You guys know I've been wanting to do a lot of business videos on my channel, so this is one of the ones I want to add to that as far as doing like an inventory haul. I am the CEO slash store owner slash designer of shopblvd.com. So a couple things that I have here is things that I need to keep my business running, as well as some items that's actually within my inventory. So it's gonna be a mixture of both. It's more so this time like some stuff that I need on the back end. If you guys know, you know I normally have my other little space, and that's like where I do most of my inventory at. And then back here is kind of like my office space. So I don't really have too much stuff back here because it can get really jumbled up and busy back here. So I kind of had to remove some stuff from my inventory and bring it back here, just because I do have my assistant in there working on stuff far as like customer service with you guys, packaging orders and stuff. So it's kind of loud and I didn't want to inconvenience her as well, so I came back here until I start selling vendor lists. So yeah, I'll tell you guys a majority of where I got some of this stuff from, but some of it I really can't. And yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm really excited or whatever, so let's go. I'm going to show this stuff down here first. It's a whole bunch of wigs. Literally, this is like a whole bunch of wigs. I think it's about maybe 40 wigs in here. Probably more than that, honestly. It's a lot of wigs. So like I said, there's about 40 wigs. So these are the Stay Ready baseball cap wigs that we have on our site. People love these wigs. They tear these damn wigs up. So I have to make sure I stay in stock with these because, girl, they be tearing these up. So one thing I do want to share with you guys is these two things. They are like really essential. You guys probably looking at these like, what the hell are these? These are rolls of elastic. I think this one is like 100 yards. And then this one is like 85 yards maybe. This is 100 yards, this is 85 yards. You're probably like, what in the freak do you need elastic for? With my elastic, these are very crucial, especially with the time going on right now. And I'll tell you why. So, also, so let me show y'all exactly what it does. So the elastic is like really stretchy. This is my mask, but the new Corona mask that we offer, so we offer like 3 different colors now, or 4 different colors now. We offer a cow one, we offer a pink LV, we offer a Chanel one, and we offer a Louis Vuitton one. Now, as far as like the cow print one and the pink LV one, those are custom made. We actually got them made by our seamstress, and she produced them. She needed elastic. Also, something else that we have been dabbling into, because you guys have been saying y'all want them all over my Instagram. So that's why I said Instagram is the place to be as far as like our G-strings. So we do G-strings now, and we do like swimwear. It's a part of like that new collection that I'm coming out for swimwear. So what I'm going to do is we got like a couple samples made, and I'm going to sell those samples, and then we'll start over when summertime happens with a whole new swimwear spring collection. So that's kind of how that goes on. The cow masks, they look bomb. All the masks look bomb, as well as the swimsuit. Y'all can see them, they're really popping. First time you seen it here. We ain't steal nobody's idea. This was our own custom made idea. We came up with this shit on our own. You've seen that type of brand bikini, but it's never been, I've seen personally, with like pink trimming. So that's one thing we really do use our elastic for. So we have like endless rolls of those, and those 2 rolls that I want to show you guys, the black one and the pink one, that we actually do have because we need them for like all our stuff. This back here is our other mask. With these masks, I actually ended up getting these from our vendor earlier. As you guys can see, it was a lot of activity going on. Y'all seen that, girl. You gotta be, they be doing drive-bys, okay, out here. That should be OD real. So, for example, I'm going to show you guys the 2 masks that we actually end up having. So with these ones, they actually come from our vendor, and these are, you see what print these are? These is pretty lit. Okay, giving cute. So yeah, these 2 are actually available, and I'm gonna keep these out for myself as well. I'll show you a video of me wearing these as well, wearing one of those as well, so y'all can purchase them on the website. And girl, I got so many of them. I promise you, I think I ordered like 100 from her. Like, I got just so many of them, like literally an endless amount of them from her. So she wasn't playing, honey. I needed my money. honey. Who's calling me? Huh. So yeah, with these, all these masks is in stock, period. So make sure y'all get y'all a mask. Be right back. So this is one of the bags that we actually offer. This is the Big Bag Mini. It comes in like 4 different colors. It comes in this color, it comes in an orange color, it comes in white and black. White actually has sold out. But this bag is so cute. And it's like a small replica of like the Haquemis bag. Y'all know I love that bag. I was looking for that bag so much. So this is like one of my favorite bags on the site. I love this bag. So cute. Oh my god, so cute. And they come packaged like this. So they come like with their bag and then like the little duster inside and stuff like this. I believe this is actually my bag because it doesn't have anything, and I'm sure I've been like walking around promoting it, so of course I would take this bag. It's so cute. So let me like lift it, and then I'll pull my little strap out or whatever. Period. And then this is how it comes. So this bag is like really, really cute. You put it back in. And this is actually offered in beige and black. It's not on the site right now, so I haven't even named it. So by the time you guys see it, I'll have been added to the site and stuff. So it is so cute, right? It's so little and mini. I'm like, yes, honey. Girl, look at me doing my inventory haul and put my stuff to the side so I can just throw that in there and my sister can go to work, okay? Period. The thing I want to show you guys about this box is this box actually is, remember when I was telling you about the mailer box where you can buy USPS stuff or get it for free? So you actually can get these for free from your local post office. They'll mail them out to you if you go on USPS and get these. And these are like a priority flat rate. So if you need to do shipping and you want it to be at one flat rate and you don't have money to buy, work really, really good for you. So this is a vibe, honey. It's a vibe. And you can get those right now. I'm waiting on them to send me other sizes, but they send, literally you put your order in and it's free to put an order in to get some, and then you have to pay to ship out. Because with me, I buy the poly mailers and then I still have to pay to ship out. But you know, I like having my personalized ones or the little pink ones. Girl, I ain't even about to try to put you in there. You just won't go in no more. Okay, I got it. I ain't even gonna try to make these things. I got the big box ones. Then you can get like these ones. These are like the envelope ones that you want to use. And then you can also get the padded flat rate ones. The ones that's like my favorite. I like to use the padded flat rate just because they have that bubble wrap protection on the inside. So these is like all free to order offline and ship to your house. But you have to pay when you ship them out. Their shipping costs, that flat rate ship. Also, I wanted to show y'all a little bit of clothing inventory. I don't know if it's gonna be up by Sunday, because you know with clothes I like to take like professional pictures. But here is 2 bags I bought right here, but I got 4. I don't know where the other 2 is real quick, but I got 4. But with clothes, they normally come back like this. They come in packs of 6. So a pack is considered 6 items. So it'll either be 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large in one pack. It'll be 3 small, 2 medium, 1 large in a pack. Or when you do packs, basically it depends on if they're broken packs. Where broken packs is kind of where you can get what you want. They don't normally do them in the beginning. They do them towards the end. So for example, they have like 4 small and 1 medium, 1 large, and you want that, that's a broken pack. So with me, these are regular packs. So they're 2, 2, 2. And actually inside of them comes like packaged like this, individually packed. And sometimes when I buy stuff, it doesn't come individually packed. It'll come with a hanger. I'll show you guys that. I guess I'll show y'all that in another video. I don't know. But with that, it'll come in a hanger, and that's when I clear wrap them myself. So I showed you guys that in my last video where I was like, I clear wrap some of the stuff myself because basically it'll come on a hanger. I don't want to ship it out in a hanger. Like, you know what I mean? So I have to clear wrap it. But some of my stuff, thankfully, it'll come like this, and I can ship it out just like this. And this is what it looks like. So this probably is a large. And it's really, really cute dress. Tie-dye, really pretty. Yeah, I bought them like this. I did get a lot of clothes, but I didn't bring the clothes back here because there was just so much more stuff. You see the sunglasses, I can kind of do that. With the packs, it's just so much clothes. And then I don't want to spoil the tea for you guys to see what I actually have in stock. So yeah, that's how the clothes work, you guys. Amazon, that's like my best friend. with buying anything. Amazon definitely is. So right here is variety pack tissue paper. I like to put these in my orders when I ship them out, like tissue paper and stuff. So I ended up getting this, but it was kind of not needed because I went to this local guy and got it like a lot. But this is actually pretty affordable. If you can't find tissue paper, like I said, I'm living in LA, so you gotta think a lot of stuff that I can get is like accessible. If you can't get it though, getting your tissue paper off Amazon is really dope. I got this pink one. They have other colors as well as like what is it? Like these ones, they're like money tissue papers. So whatever print you actually want to get, you can get it off Amazon. Just type in Amazon tissue paper and it's going to come wrapped up. It's really, really cute. So I actually like that money paper a lot. So that's like a thing that I want to keep in stock. Ooh. Girl, this is all sunglasses. We be shipping a lot of sunglasses. Like I said, this is only one box. I think the other box in there. The way I told them to wrap it is like one style of each box on this side and one style of each box on the other side. So hopefully it did just that. So I'm gonna pick one box and I'm gonna use my chair over here. So what I did is I ended up ordering sunglasses. Sunglasses come 12 in a box, and then depending on what sunglass style it is, it'll come with a variety of different colors. So like for example, this one, it comes 12 in a box, and then we got these. This is one color that comes in the box. And then at the bottom, it'll be like the main color. So with these, it ends up being like, I think, I don't know what. Oh, and they have white in here too. So this was a pair of sunglasses that I actually like. You guys, by the time y'all see this, it'll be on the site as well. Because we're going to be uploading so much inventory today, period. So this is one pair. Oh my God, these is so cute. I love these. And they scream me. They like giving me vibes. Giving me type energy, period. Y'all hoes need to get out my face or whatever. So see, I like glasses that I actually, like I'm not gonna sell nothing I ain't actually gonna wear. And I like sunglasses that's different. I don't want no boring basic ass sunglasses straight up. So yes, this is a new style. I haven't named them yet, so if y'all want to, y'all can definitely help me. This is my style one sunglasses, so help me name them. And like I said, these is offered, and it says black, white, blue, lime green that I got on my face, and a little bit of money, honey, ching ching, and white and pink. So yes, these lit as fuck. Period. With me, I buy boxes upon boxes upon boxes. Like of the same style of sunglasses. So for example, this style of sunglasses, I believe I bought like maybe 4 boxes. So you'll do like 4 times 12. What's that? 48. So I do buy a lot of sunglasses. And I'll buy the same because I know my people. My people be loving the sunglasses I be picking. So I know they're gonna rock out with my sunglasses. If anything, they're gonna rock out with my sunglasses. And then another thing, like I said, we got these. I hate showing y'all these though because we're just gonna get new sunglass bags. The bags that I'm gonna get is custom. They're on their way. They haven't came yet, come from China. But girl, we got custom sunglass bags on the way. These, I can't stand these because they're just black, but we're working on it. Don't worry. Yes, honey. Period. Cut the check, bitch. Yes, I love these. These are real cute. It's always that one pair that make you really want to buy the sunglasses. And with these, it was the black ones. And I feel like these gonna be another good seller. Like my other ones was like a bestseller. I feel like this is gonna give me these mine, so I'm taking these. I feel like I can tell when I'm gonna sell out some sunglasses. And these is the type. These them types, okay? These them types, cause I know my peoples. I know what type of sunglasses they like. You know how you know your customer, bitch? I know my customer with some sunglasses, okay? So yes, this was that. That was this. Yes, these is really, really cute. I got rose gold. You know I got rose gold like jewelry on my site, so that would definitely be like a bot with that. Yes, my God. These are like label rollers. Y'all know when I use my Domo printer, basically these is the stickers. Oops, it said pull slowly, but These is the stickers I end up using. So you have to put them in a printer, and then my labels print out on this, and it already got sticky back adhesive and everything. That just makes it so much more simpler. I'm not about to sit here and cut them out and tape it. And I'm also not about to write on nobody's stuff. Like, I just rather have it just like that. So with this, literally, this is what we need to do our labels. So this, it goes in a Dymo printer. If you haven't got one, I suggest getting into it. My assistant put me on mine. Y'all know before I used to just print mine out with a printer and just take the sticky back off. But now I use this one and it's so much better. Inside of here is like notebooks. I got like, I think like 200 of these notebooks. So at first we wasn't going to sell them on the site. We were just going to do a limited edition. But then so many people started buying them and inquiring about them. We actually ended up bringing them on the site. I'll show y'all what one of them looks like. But this is our glam notebooks when they came in. And they had to get made because these are actually custom. So they come with paper inside of them, of course. This is lined paper if you guys want to write notes. It's really, really good for like your businesses and stuff. And then also here's the front of it. It has our business card logo on it. It says Glamazon Pearl Studio. And it has its information with my name on it. So this is what it looks like. So this is actually really, really cute. I love this. It looks really, really good. And it's definitely real different as far as like having a notebook wise. So yeah. You want, this is perfect. This is perfect. When I showed you guys, this is what I was using. I get them in, I think they're like packs, they come in packs of 50. So I normally get maybe like 400, 500 if I can, because we have so many. Like, think about it. If one person buy each one of those sunglasses, that's gonna, I have to ship it out in a box because I don't want them to break. So that's one thing I do end up using with doing these, is the boxes, because that just, it just makes everybody, it makes sure their stuff get there secure. It's a nice box. Girl, it just makes sure everything is A1. I don't want nobody shit breaking on me. Last but not least is this one. These is like one of our best sellers. And it is the diamond skirt, the diamond rhinestone skirt that's on our website. Everybody loves this skirt. This skirt actually stretches out to be about a 1X, 2X. So if you wear a 2X, you actually can put this skirt on. It's very, very adjustable. It's very stretchy and it looks bomb. It's really, really cute. I wore it a couple times, you know, because I had to try it out, make sure the shit was popping. But no, I think that is lit, and that's like one of our best sellers. Everybody loves those. So now that I'm done, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of business videos you guys want in the future. Also check my website because I am updating it with inventory like every other day. We have an email list, so you definitely want to get up on that too, so you can know about our new arrivals when we have sales. And also the most efficient way is to follow us on Instagram at Shop Glamazon Tay, as well as me, Glamazon Tay, because that's where I release a lot of details on stuff that's going on, or sales, or just anything that's really like happening with my business. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Mwah. See ya.